This feature is known as Android System Intelligence, and it's found on most Android phones, even your Samsung phone. And there's a specific way on how to find it and clear out whatever your phone has been learning over the days, months, and even years. To be clear, this is a Pixel phone with Android 15, and most Android phones with 13, 14, and even Android 15 should have this feature. So to find it now, you'll want to go into the quick access and tap on the settings toggle of that Android phone. All Android phones are different in some ways, so even if you type in the search bar the system intelligence, chances are you might not find it just like that. So you'll want to go down and look for the privacy section. Most of them are known as privacy or security and privacy. Once you see it, go into it. And once you're in this section here now, go down and keep going down past all of this. And it's usually found right in the others settings section. It'll say more security and privacy. When you tap on it, you'll be taken to this here. Now go down some more and you're just looking for Android System Intelligence. So maybe it might be to the bottom or the first one to the top. So when you tap on it, you'll see this right here. And it's going to tell you device learning, get suggestions based on the people, apps, and content you interact with. Okay, so it's kind of collecting data on you based on where you've been and help with suggestions. So if you want to clear that out, you want to go down a little bit to where it says clear data. And when you tap on it, this little window is going to pop up and it's going to tell you clear all data storage by Android System Intelligence. And you can choose to do this for the last hour, the last 24 hours, or all time. Also clear my now playing history. So remember, if you're going to do this, this is not reversible. So I'll show you here quickly. When you clear data, it's going to remove it for you, clear out anything that your phone might have learned based on what you've been searching or doing with your phone for the past few hours or hour. So if you want to do it for all, go ahead and do it all, like and sub.